Jean.
Hello guys. Hi people.
Can
Hi.
I
What?
say to you, you know what? It's Jean's birthday today.
Thank you, dear. You didn't greet, but
I'm sure that everybody understood what you were saying. But now for the humans, for the rest of the world,
it's my
it's
birthday.
birthday today.
Yeah, it's my birthday. Now
Happy
we're.
birthday!
Thank you, darling. Thank you, Ella. Thank you, Francine. Francine is going to Mars.
She's like a mommy.
She's going to Mars. Where lalabas kami muna, guys, magsisimba. Light a candle lang dahil birthday ko. Yeah. So, see you later.
I said, what are you doing?
Diyan kami nagsimba,
Huh?
the church.
What?
Frank is there.
It's not daddy.
We're going for
It's not daddy.
No. revving, shopping. Hello! Nasa bahay na kami, guys. Say hello. Say hello. Kakauwi lang namin. Galing church at nag-grocery. Konti. Para sa... Huh? Say hello. Hello! I'm cooking for dinner namin, guys. Walang ganap sa aming kuan. Nagpunta lang sa church. At nagpasalamat sa mga blessings. At saka kakain ng dinner. Ayun. Hello! Hello! Ako pala ang gagawa ng cake ko, guys. Hello! Say hello? Say happy birthday, mama. Happy birthday, mama. Si Ella gumagawa ng card. May ginawa daw siyang card para sa akin. Mamaya daw niya ibibigay. Na? Dun 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 dun. Ako. Unsa man di akong anak? Wa na, guys. Wa na. Gibiran akong buhok. Ginayayay, mama. Sus, ginawa ko, wait.
She wants to have a ransom. 100,000 euros to her Swiss account by midnight, and then you get her back. Or else she's gonna break it. You're gonna break it now?
No. Give me. Please. Give me.
I guess that's a no.
Please.
Don't take her. I'm just gonna put her here.
Okay.
Just to
Like
see.
this. That is killed already.
Already killed.
Francine, you killed my friend. Uh-oh. No.
Give mama, be. Francine. Hello. Give mama, give. Give mama. Give mama. Uy. That hurts.
It's me, my darling. I can't see clear no more. What are you waiting for?
La 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 la. Di 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 da. La 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 la. Happy ding ding dang dang. La 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 la. Di di ding 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 ding. What? 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 La, pibote dah. Ang sleepy naman ni. Managpa naman no. Managpa. La 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 la. La 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 la. Ano po na? Nagpa. Ganahan siya. Ganahan no. Ganahan tumbling yung tani.
I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Look at the video.
Jean. Happy birthday
to
you. Happy birthday.
Now you got it.
Make a wish.
Francine.
Make a wish.
Put
Make
it
a
there,
wish.
put it there, put it
Make
there.
a wish.
Put it there, what is it? Okay.
Make a wish.
Why the candles are all melting?
I don't know.
Yeah, we blow a candle. Wish first.
Hold it low so she can blow.
1, 2, 3. Is it going to? Oh.
Oh my god.
Thank you, dear.
I'm so hot.
Show the cake.
Happy birthday to you. You belong
But Jean made
to
it.
the
We just did the decoration.
like a
Yeah, they made the
monkey,
decoration.
like a
Should've
donkey.
That's still burning.
Can I have a photo
I'm
of them?
gonna keep holding on.
Now it's
No,
not nice
don't
anymore. Should have
worry.
taken a photo before.
No, it's okay.
Long.
Huh? What you after? What's your words?
Have a
Okay.
look there. Have a look there. You see,
Okay.
you had a request and
I get this.
Guys, she's watching TV, dancing, and
From Ella.
From Ella.
So, happy birthday,
Can
Jane.
you close the door in the bedroom?
No. I wish you have a good health and God bless you. You are the best mom ever. Once again,
Happy birthday.
Once again. She always writes once again.
Ella. Her birthday card
Ella,
for me. And she cannot behave. I need to bring her in the mental hospital.
you should actually see her. What she's doing there.
From Frank.
No, that is for all from all of us.
Zoom Geburtstag.
Read what it says there.
Zoom Geburtstag for einen Herzenswunsch. What is that?
Like you have a wish to come true.
It says here, there's a pocket here, and here he put here Handtasche. Wait, what's that?
Handtasche?
Handbag?
Yeah.
Okay, that. Happy birthday, Jean. God bless our queen in the house. Look at that. He Frank, where's Stella with the sign and Francine.
You are always right.
Thank you so much.
Is that disappointing?
No, it's not. Thank you so much. But this is really good here. This is pocket. This
It's
is
not a pocket, it's an envelope.
an envelope, sorry.
For you,
Thank you.
for your extreme wish.
Yeah, you have a envelope here for your wish. And so I'm gonna keep
That's
this.
only to have something for you, so
Yeah.
you won't be here empty-handed just now, because we were too late anyway because of Christmas and all that.
Okay.
So
But it's okay. I told you it's okay if I get a letter. I don't mind.
yeah, letter.
Yeah, but he just wrote something.
I have a crap handwriting, and I don't like it.
He got another present while my other present is not yet there.
You always get that. Actually, I just
What's this? Funny, this one. Should take a photo of you. I wanna be
I should
surprised.
actually go.
Should take a photo of you. I wanna be
I should actually go away.
You know what? I think I know this. Oh my god. Take a photo of me. I'm very chocolate. Yeah, take a photo of me having the cards.
But guys, it's me who's eating it. She is just getting it.
Yeah, I'm not fan of chocolate, so I think he bought this for himself also. Thank you. So this will go to the Philippines. You are witness because it's for me present, so it's me who's gonna decide.
You know what? Where is that from?
Where is this from?
Penny.
You're so stupid, Ella.
Show.
You're good there, actually.
I know this from.
Yeah, dance. Don't delete it, no?
No?
So I'm gonna keep this because I How many cards do I get from you now?
I have no idea.
Only one, just in case. You have no idea. This is the first time.
Here, Jay. Kana
That's from mine.
Yeah, mau na akong giingon sa imo na kana
Okay.
ako
That,
tanaw.
I was thinking that card because that card is from mine.
What card?
That one. Where's my birthday card for you? You should all keep that,
My
na?
room.
Yeah. This has a date on it.
No,
You put a date on this.
on the bottom.
And this will stay here. It's an evidence. Guys, it's an evidence that I get a wish because it says here, for your birthday.
A Herzenswunsch means wish from your heart.
A wish from your heart. Yeah, but that's not a wish from my heart. That what I want. It's a
You wanted to have a bag,
yeah because
like a scum bag or a ball bag.
I want to have
Golf bag.
the sling bag. Then I have it here, evidence. So he was saying it's going to arrive. He ordered it already. And I will see it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Can I have one?
Can I have one?
He's up.
No, I'm only kidding. You keep that.
So guys, thank you all for watching and I hope to see you on my next video. Have a good day and thank you for watching. Bye bye. Good night. Good night, Frank. Good night,
Good
Papa.
night. Have subscribe.
Bye bye. You wanna say something?
Want to say something?
Yeah.
I love you very much.
Thank you. I love you too.
Yeah.
What did you...
Happy birthday, Jean.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Thank you, dear.
Germany. Birthday.
Ting welcome.